Hello everybody, welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. Today it's Kitchen Gadget Corner and we're putting together a very nice dish using one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. You wanna know what it is? Well, come on everybody, let's get cooking.
Kitchen Gadget Corner with Daddy.
Today's shout out goes to Jose Hernandez. Thanks, Jose, for the continued support. If you want to shout out in my next video, stay tuned to the end to find out how. Here are the ingredients. 2 pounds of fish fillet, slap ya mama seasoning, 12 corn tortillas, half a cabbage thinly sliced, about 3 cups. Half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons honey, juice of 1 lime plus wedges for serving, half a cup of fresh cilantro, roughly chopped, 1 avocado. We're not floundering around today because we're making some tasty fish tacos. For our fish tacos, we wouldn't be fish tacos without a nice little cabbage sauce that we put on top. The one I'm using, I just bought store-bought coleslaw, sliced cabbage. Wasn't much more expensive than buying a cabbage on its own. So we're going to use this and pour it all in. Oh, filled up my entire, well, that's a lot of cabbage, is it not? It's going to make for a very good cabbage slaw to put on your fish tacos. So what do I put into mine? Well, we got the lettuce. We're going to add a little flavor, some cilantro. So this is already washed cilantro. It's going to chop it up. I washed it already, took it away from the cilantro. Let's add a nice little cilantro flavor to our coleslaw. So this basically is a coleslaw that gets put on fish tacos, believe it or not. So mostly it's coleslaw, but except with some different spices. Now some of you might add some red pepper paste to it, or you might see some cayenne pepper being added. We're not going to bother. I'm just going to chop up some cilantro to put it inside. Doesn't have to be finely chopped, just rough chop is good. That looks pretty good. So we're going to put this cilantro into our coleslaw. Next to this, I'm going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. Just going to estimate my half a cup. I'm just long enough, I know about what half a cup is. That's like 2 tablespoons, that's like 4 tablespoons. A little more than that. It's about 6 and about 8. So there's about a half a cup of mayonnaise. We're also going to add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Now again, I know about how much it is. There's about 1, and there's about 2. Adds a little bit of sweetness. That's for the sweetness of it. Next, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. My limes are a little small. These are the ones we got from my tree. You can see they're a little yellow. Yes, our tree's limes get a little yellow if you leave them on too long. So we're going to see, but they still have a very lime-like flavor. So we're going to cut them in half, put the juice right inside. As you can see, the inside, they might look like lemons, but they are limes. The inside is green. And I'm just going to squeeze that juice in there, making sure to try and take the seeds from getting in there. If you got any seeds that might be wanting to get their way in. You can see our fresh limes are nice and juicy. Oh, that's a lot more juice than I expected, I think. We'll leave the other 2 halves over there. We're going to leave that for squeezing juice onto the fish once it's cooked. Careful not to get seeds in. Got our honey, got our lime juice, got our cilantro, got our mayonnaise. We're going to add salt and pepper to taste. For us, that's about oh yay amount, maybe an 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. There we go. That's about the right amount of salt. Let's put that right in there. Now we're going to try our best to stir it up without spilling any of the coleslaw outside of the container. It'd be nice if I'd chosen a bigger container, but I didn't. It was a little more cavern than I thought it was going to be. Mix it up, and then we're going to set it aside in the refrigerator while we wait to cook our fish. Now the coleslaw is all prepared in the refrigerator, it's time to get your fish ready. I like to use about 2 pounds of fish. This is swai fillet. So I'm going to cut mine up into smaller pieces. There we go, about this size. I think I got 5 of them today. So let's cut them all up. This one gets one more. And the last one. Now today we're going to cook them in the Cosori Air Fryer. But if you want to do it in the oven instead, you can do that. 425 degrees with the same seasonings that I'm about to use for 10 minutes and your fish should be cooked. Also, I am going to be using our favorite sauce, our favorite flavoring. It's called Slap Ya Mama. Tastes really good. We like it a lot, so we're just going to sprinkle some on each side. Get that flavoring on there. If you don't have Slap Your Mama or can't find it, you can use salt, pepper, and garlic to taste. That also makes a nice tasty fish. Sprinkle one side, flip it over. I guess that one was missed. Like it does, it has a seasoning on it. And then sprinkle the other side. You can see about how much I'm putting on. A nice generous sprinkle, not too much though, it'll taste too much flavor and too salty for some people's tastes. Right there. That looks like a good coating. So now we're just gonna heat up our Cosori Air Fryer and put them directly in. Kitchen gadget corner time. Time to show you how to use the Cosori Air Fryer to fry fish to perfection. First, we're going to preheat the fish fryer. I go to until it's foremost, which is 370 degrees. That's about the temperature it'll do the fish. And then you hit the power button, the play button. Now it's going to heat up and get ready for the fish. That sound means the preheating is done. Time to put in the fish to cover one layer at the bottom. We're gonna cook the fish one layer at a time. Oh, nice sizzle as it goes in. Once the fish gets cooked, we're gonna take this one out. Okay. Just lay the fish right in there. Do not touch the fry part because it is really hot. But you can get close. Just lay the fish inside. In a single layer. More piece. So you can see I put a single layer of fish with the sauce that we want on it. We're going to stick it back in. Hit the power button again. Say fish button. It's going to take 8 minutes to cook. And then we're going to just let it cook. After 8 minutes it'll be done. We'll take out the first set of fish. We'll start eating, and And I'll put the next set of fish. So it'll be continuing to be hot every time we eat. Okay. While your fish is cooking in the air fryer, we're gonna cut up the avocado. This avocado is a little soft. So I don't know if it's too soft or not. So we're gonna try it out. A little bit soft, a little bit browning. All right, so let me go through how I open that with the next avocado we're gonna do. Anyway, so once we got the avocado sliced open, we're just gonna make some slices with the peel on to give it a good place. We're gonna cut out some of the parts that are way too brown. We're not gonna use those parts. The rest of it looks okay. I'm gonna put it on a plate and have it served with the rest of the dish. So in the shell itself, we just go ahead and slice right through it. This one's really soft. I'm using my thumb to go around the inside to get the slices out. So people can add avocado to their fish if they want. Okay, as I feel this one, it feels really soft, so some of it may not be as good. But here's how you open an avocado. Take off the peel. That peel is just gonna get in your way. Gonna slice through the middle of the avocado. All the way around so you can peel it half and half. This one looks pretty good. Got the seed here, we want to take that seed out. Pound it with the knife, twist, and the seed comes off. I can pull the seed off and throw it away. This avocado looks better than the other one. So then once you have your avocado, you can make slices down the middle. You can kind of feel it on the other side of the peel. Maybe cut this part out. And then peel all the avocado slices onto the plate. This avocado is really soft. It's really good for guacamole. Maybe you'd rather put it into guacamole and put it with your fish tacos. Either way, having an avocado with fish tacos is nice. Nice slices down the middle. So that part looks a little too brown. Probably keep that part away. I'm going to peel out the rest of it. Slices of you're going to put into their fish tacos. Now the first set of fish is cooked to perfection. We're going to take it out and take a look at the fish. It's cooked really well. We're going to take it out, put it on the plate, and start eating. You can see how tender and flaky it is. So let me show you how to take it out. So you just scoop under with tongs and take it out. Scoop under the piece of tongs and take it out. Eventually you get it all. Now taking out the first set of fish, we're going to put in the second set of fish and start it up while we start eating the first batch. Okay, I've layered in my second batch of fish. I'm gonna start cooking it while we start eating.
You recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I love fish taco. But the tortilla's breaking. The fish is seasoned well, and the coleslaw tastes good because there's mayonnaise in it. And mayonnaise is the best thing ever. And the avocado. I don't know. The avocado. It adds a taste of something. It gives it a softer texture. But I think that's what's... I don't know how to speak today. I think the avocado is what is fighting against the spice from the fish to make it less spicy. I don't like coleslaw with carrots. This dish would go on my I would eat it every week list, along with lasagna. You could serve this every Monday.
The only thing I don't like about this dish is that the coleslaw is the one favorite of the vegetables that punches through, because other than that, the mayonnaise and the very good stock avocado of the fish cover all the vegetables, which make it taste not like a salad.
Happy Healthy Wife Chef Barry here, reminding you to smack down that like button just like my kids smack down on their lovely fish tacos. If you like fish tacos or have made them or know what you would put in them, leave a comment down below letting me know how you would make your own fish tacos. And if you can include the word salsa in your comment down below, you'll have a chance at a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.